Warm drinks. Staying warm and hydrated is vital for those with a cough or cold. Whenever you drink hot beverages, it may relieve your symptoms immediately. Warm water, clear broths, herbal teas may reduce the dry cough, throat irritation, and chills instantly and remain for a continued period after finishing the hot beverage. Salt water gargles. It is one of the most effective home remedies for treating a sore throat and cough. It reduces the inflammation of the throat and the bouts of cough. Stir half a teaspoon of salt into a cup of warm water until it dissolves. Ginger. Ginger is the first home remedy that will come into our minds whenever we think about the cough. It possesses antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. It also helps boost immunity and relieve the accumulated mucus in the respiratory tract. There is evidence that ginger may suppress the cough reflex by relaxing the smooth muscles of the airways. Turmeric. Turmeric is a great antiseptic, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory agent that helps your body recover from any infection. It contains curcumin that helps to ease cough and other symptoms of asthma. Turmeric is beneficial to treat upper respiratory conditions, bronchitis, and tonsillitis too. Raw honey. Raw honey is one of the oldest home remedies to treat cough. It helps to soothe your throat and reduce irritation. It has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that may potentially temper minor bacterial or viral infections. Mint leaves. Mint leaves contain menthol that helps numb the throat nerves that may reduce recurrent bouts of dry cough. It also helps in clearing the congestion of the throat. You can add 3-5 leaves of peppermint to your tea and boil it for a few minutes before drinking.